Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. He's gonna print out on make a banner on a large printer, and this is not to scale. He's mentioned something like 1800, and I don't know if that's millimeters or inches, so I'm just gonna leave it at the size it came to me in. And he wants to split it into three prints, and he knows there's gonna be an edge, but that's can't, and it could you could I don't know how you're going to hear it together. I'm going to hold down the shift key and double click on my rectangle tool. Well, I need to select our banner, and I'm going to hit P to make sure it's in the center. Now I'm going to hold down the shift key, and that put put a rectangle around our object. Now we need to, and I just did a video on this last night or the other night. 26.042. You could get out a calculator and figure that out, but we're going to let Corel do it. So I'm going to put a line, it's not long enough. Right on that line, I'm going to hit the plus key, and I'm going to put one on the other line. I am going to hold down the shift key and select both lines, go up to effects, blend. I'm just going to blend them 2 times. Now I have 3 equal segments. I don't have to worry about the lines. I'm going to use my Smart Fill tool, and we'll keep it as a gray. And now I can nudge that over, grab both of them and intersect. Take the new object and intersect it away. Just delete that one. Take your Smart Fill tool, get the center one, nudge it over, grab it all, intersect, move it over. Smart Fill tool, move it over. And maybe somebody that's a printer will tell us there is a deal where you can overprint stuff. Can't really remember what it is. But, you know, you're working with some letters, so it can't be too much. But if you know, it's funny when you zoom out, you can see stuff. So if you were printing this and you change your nut factor to something really little, and you grab this last one, let's see if we can get there. I don't know if you can see that line on your monitor. It's right there. And then just kind of nudge it over, the line goes away. So if you're going to hear it to something, and you're not moving enough to mess with the text. I truly hope that's what he was asking, because then you could take these and just print them any way you wanted to. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.